Hi everyone, Hannah here. I hope that y'all are having a wonderful Tuesday today. So I wanted to go ahead and do a video showing you what you will receive in your February kit. So the name of the paper collection this month is called Melodious Heart. I seem to be stuck on the heart name. I think the last couple of months I've had something to do with heart or something, but anyway, y'all know I'm not very good at giving titles to stuff. So anyway, it's kind of like a musical theme. I wanted to do something kind of old-timey, but add in like sheet music and dancers and violins. And I'm really pleased with how this came out. So I just wanted to go through and show you the paper. So we have this beautiful, this is one of my favorites for sure. I love the colors. You know, different shades of purple in this one. We've got an old music sheet. We've got her, she's dancing, got a violin and some like violin ads on here. And then on the back, we've got this really pretty page. This would be a beautiful background page. You've got a little bit of swirls in the background, and then you've got, you know, it just looks like old paper, like maybe it's coffee dyed or tea dyed in the background, so it's really, really pretty. And then we've got this page here. This is a page that it has a lot of things that you could cut out of this page. We've got an old seed packet, we've got Farmer's Almanac, we've got some different floral designs in here, another old seed packet or front of a catalog, and we've got like an old ledger and just some different, you know, different pages from different books and things. So this is a really fun page, a lot going on that, like I said, you could cut out and use these for different things. And then on the back of it, we've got, this is a really pretty background, I think. We've got some lavender in here. These are some lavender flowers. We've got kind of some floral illustrations on the page. We've got blueprint, and then faded in the background is also some writing in the background. So I really love this page. Definitely, I think I'll just love all of these pages. I'm not really sure which one is my favorite this month. They're all really, really pretty. So on this page, we've got this beautiful woman playing a violin, and you've got the music notes just kind of carrying throughout the page. We've got some pretty flowers. We've got little bits of lace. Beautiful floral illustration that has been put into a frame. Some more bits of lace and flowers. And then on the back, we've got this just beautiful, beautiful flowers. I absolutely love this. And then we've got this page. I just kind of wanted, usually at least one page out of the kit, I try to kind of tone down some of the colors a little bit. I absolutely love this page. It's a very pretty, light, shabby chic kind of look going on with the, you know, different shades of pink floral. And we've got some music notes that just kind of fade into the background here. And then on the back, we've got, it's kind of a diamond background with some different stained looks, and then some more of the pink floral in there. So really, really pretty. And then this page, this is the page that I've been putting on the stock photo for the listings. Really pretty page. I love the beautiful floral colors. We've got a violin and bow and case. We've got some different cards there, and just some different just random words in the background. So I'm really loving this page too. And then we've carried that floral onto the background with this beautiful, it's a blue, but it's a different color blue, really, really pretty blue, and some shadows of the stems and leaves in the background. And let me see, we got one more here. And this one is a beautiful, beautiful page too. We've got this really pretty woman here in the kind of sticking her head out behind these cards, and we've got lavender flowers, some beautiful pink roses, a doily. We've got this really pretty illustration here. And we've got a floral border coming down, some beautiful petunias, and like a little vine going up. And we've got some words in the background too. And then on the back of that, we've got this. It's just kind of just some random flowers, and we've got kind of that stained look. I'm loving the stained look this month, as y'all can tell. And we've got some more of the words in the background too. So I am definitely loving the paper collection this month. I think I love them every month, of course, but I don't know, apparently I'm on a purple kick. I didn't realize that I got so heavy with the purple stuff, and I'm like, oh man, we gotta kind of spread this around a little bit. So and we do that with the contents that you receive in your bag. These are the journaling cards, so we'll go ahead and go over these. Basically, I just picked different images from the paper. You've got her playing the violin. And this is the background of the vertical journaling cards, and then we'll have a different design on the ones that are horizontal. And so this is the front of a German English dictionary, and then this has some doilies and roses on there, sheet music with some roses, and then here's that seed catalog, and then that image there. And then we've got the vintage seed packet. And then here's the horizontal ones. Music is love in search of a word. And then here's the background for that. And then we've got that. And then that ledger. And then a violin in the case. And the beat goes on. So we've got those as our journaling cards. Really pretty, I think. And then I've already got some die cuts cut out, but here is the whole collection here. Let me grab a sheet. All right, here's a sheet that hasn't been cut yet. So we've got the dancer, the violinist, this woman here, a doily, some of the border, violin music notes. We've got some different floral images from the paper. And then this frame, and then some music, a little bit of sheet music, some violin ads, and got that from the dictionary, the blueprint. So I'm really loving the die cut pieces. Just, you know, wanted everything to coincide and work together. And then, so those are the die cuts that we've already got cut out. We're also doing some rub-on transfers this month. I am loving rub-on transfers. And we've just got some different random ones that you'll receive, like maybe a little sentence. Self-confidence is the best outfit. Rock it and own it. Let's see. Color me fashionista. Friends don't let friends wear bad outfits. And then there's some other ones too, like a necklace, because I thought, well, you know, the dancers might wear like this really beautiful necklace, and got just some different things here. And then you'll get some buttons as well in the kit. We're trying to do some different buttons. All of the kits will get some kind of a gold or silver button. And there we've got some little flowers here, just some different colors. I saw where I was starting to get a little heavy-handed on the purples, so I wanted to bring in some other colors, like the washi tape will be a different color. Also, we're doing different colored lace. I thought this color was just so beautiful. It's some kind of a brown color. I can't remember the exact color. Like a chocolate brown, really pretty, and then a white. I actually thought that this was going to be more of a lavender color, but it did not turn out that way. To me, it just looks white. But I thought still that's pretty. And in your kit, you'll be getting some shimmer mist. You could even just dye this with your shimmer mist. And then we've got some beautiful navy blue lace. And we've also got this beautiful cream colored lace. I still had some of this lace left that Anne had donated to us for our kits. And so I wanted to use that. I thought that would, kind of help tone down some of the purple accents throughout the paper. And I mean, cream and lavender and mauve. I mean, to me, cream goes with just anything, really. And then you'll also get a stencil. Some are butterfly stencils, some are floral stencils. And then the fabric for this month, beautiful, beautiful fabric. So this one's not too heavy-handed on the purple. We've got some green and gold and light pink. So beautiful, beautiful fabric. Also, what we're doing for the pages this month, well, we've got some tags. You'll also be getting some pages from Little Princess. I don't know, it sounded good to me whenever I saw it. So, and then we've got some computer pages. Don't shoot me, I love the computer pages. And I have resisted on not putting them in every month's kit. I know they are boring old pages, but that to me is what makes them so fun to use. You could just have fun painting them, tea staining them, just tear it up and Mod Podge bits and pieces onto your paper. So I love the pages. Now, something neat we're doing this month, I found an old book. It was made in 1700, and it's the choreography notations of the dances that they did in 1700. And it's really cool. You've got the music here, and then it tells what they're doing, which I don't really know what that says. I'm thinking ballet and dancers. So I guess they're doing some kind of a ballet dance. And this shows how they are supposed to be moving for, I guess, like every beat or measure of the music. So I thought it was really cool, and I printed it on some newsprint. So we've got this design, we've got this one, and we've got this one. So you'll be getting two of the designs. It might be this page and this page, or this page and this page, but you'll be getting two of those. So I thought that would be something different and exciting for this month. And then, of course, you'll get the tea stain pages in your kit too, the strip of Tyvek. For new customers, I'm also including the paper instructions, has step-by-step with pictures and links to the YouTube video as well. And of course, you'll be getting the waxed linen. At least for the first set of kits, we're doing the black waxed linen, which I really think it's pretty cool. I've had some good feedback with it. People are having fun using. You're just kind of doing something different with it. So we've got that. And then I thought that I would throw in a handmade item. I'm trying to get back into that. Last month we did the sweet little letters, love letters, and wax seals. And so for this month, I wanted to make like a little journal page. So I just took some random, leftover scrapbook paper. These were pages from last month's kit, and then all of the pages will be different. They'll just kind of be random pages, and I'm just taking a little piece of fabric and running along some lace and sewing it, and then did some rub-on transfers. And so what you could do is to incorporate this in your journal page, you can actually take, you could take this and just sew it onto your page. You could take some washi tape and go down, and then it kind of flips out like that. So those are some options that you can do. And now on the scrapbook kit, the main difference on that is that we'll be getting some flowers. I think I picked up the wrong thing of flowers. You'll be getting some of these flowers, and then I have some smaller flowers that have these colors in them. They're from the With Love collection that just came out. So we've got, some of these and then some smaller ones too of these same ones. And then also we've got some pretty chipboard. This is from the Pretty Pale collection that came out, I don't know, last year or the year before. I mainly got these to go with the mixed media kit. We're kind of doing a subdued color with splashes of French lavender and hazelnut, so I'm super excited to dive into that tutorial. But I got plenty of these chipboard pieces, and so I thought these would be really cool. It just looks old-timey, so I think it'll be perfect for the scrapbook kits as well. And then, of course, you'll get the seam binding, the lace, some buttons, and the journaling cards, the die cuts. Instead of the rub-on transfers, you'll be getting some stickers. I had found some stickers like with violins and I think it's like a ballerina outfit, but that's as close as I could find to like a dancer. And then some flowers and stuff. So some really cute little 3D flowers there. And then on the mixed media overview and tutorial, we'll be getting started on that soon, and I'll upload that along with the mini mixed media kit. And then as well as the mix kit, I'll be showing that to y'all as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much, and bye.